here I got more eBay packages. I got the shipping labels off of them. One portion came in even though I got refunded on that item. But this is the refunded item. It's my iMac speaker lock. So I basically got this for free. Free iMac speakers. I really don't care if they're like some of them are destroyed or not. Hope I get at least like a pair or a few. I use a lot of tape on this. That's stuck. That was stuck though. Looks like it's nicely packaged. Oh my god. Excessive. Wow. I'm gonna pause and be careful. I love bubble wrap and stuff. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Smells weird in here. Checking to see if there's anything else in the fucking box. Oh, there isn't. It's like it. Let's move this package out of the way. Put some of this around. One. It's like 5 or more speakers in there. Feels very heavy though. So you understand, these speakers are light. I see some speakers in bad condition. That is very pathetic. But who would ever fucking package something like this? That is very fucking disappointing. I might keep at least one pair until I get a good pair. It's not worth taking up space. This looks okay. I'm keeping this one. Definitely blowing this one up. This one will be blown up as well. This one's perfect. Nearly perfect. Keeping this one. This one will be blown up. This one will be blown up. This one will definitely be blown up. This one will be blown up. Got a pair of the foil cloths, the foil film surrounds. They're rather delicate. I hope there's no foam rot. They're pretty rare. Coming rare. Still order some to. Oh, just a slight dent in the dust cap. I'm not gonna blow this one up. They're starting to age. So at least got mostly good. also blown most of these IMAX speakers up. The woofers are not, the mid woofers are not even like salvageable. So I'm saying this is for free. It's not too bad. I would take the $10 for all this lot. I got a few to work. I'm gonna box this now. I might keep a couple. I'm not like sure yet. I'm not gonna blow these all out today. This is gonna be like another day. First things first. My God. I had a cute little Sony speaker. That's not bad. First law. Hopefully the surrounds are intact. Looks like they are. That was a big quality, yeah. Very nice Sony speaker there. Like a micro monitor. It's pretty high quality there. Stuff there. Here's some very cheap Logitech speakers. This is a MIDI subwoofer. Very delicate though. But it came in good condition nonetheless. I'm going to take these apart. Keep the drivers. They're really cute. Sorry, my camera's getting out of fucking focus and overexposed. These are like the cheapest Logitech speakers you can get. They're okay. They're the LS11 speakers. I like at least the Z313 for a good system. It does just store at a little high volumes. It's a cheap system. Some very fucking shitty GPX speakers. They're full range. Tweeters are absolutely fucking fake. I am willing to blow these up. These are not worth keeping at all. I definitely need to try. I apologize for getting this off camera. Covers might be removable. If not, they're fucking shit. I don't think they come off. But I'm gonna definitely like reuse the enclosures. Might even give for sound. The box, not the driver. The driver's are shit. Got another one as well. See, look how shitty these are. Tweeters are absolutely fucking fake. This is like one of the worst speakers you can get. They sell these at Big Lots and shit. They're not good at all. Don't buy these if you can still find these. like a little smaller than I thought it would be. It looks like a 3-inch there. Those are fucking tiny ass. Oh, it's actually a 4-inch. You can see the cone, but it's still very shitty quality. These are gonna be blown up. So yep, this is it. Thanks for watching.